Hello friends, welcome to my video. Hope you all were fine. In this video we discuss about social media versus email marketing. How can we make money on social media platforms or email marketing? Is email marketing give us more benefit than social media, or social media give us more benefit than email marketing? Let's start our video. This is our Google screen. On this we type social media versus email marketing. Social media versus email marketing, comparing. Which is the better, social media or email marketing? Email marketing might be stronger marketing approach overall, but social media is still a great option to grow your audience and build your list in the first place. If you had to pick one over the other simply in terms of ROI, through email marketing is typically the better choice. Social media click on the first link, and this is the preview. How people can you reach? Of course you want to get your brand message out to a company or possible, so let's compare which channel offer a better reach for marketer. On the one hand, email has been around much longer than the social media, so it naturally has a longer user because it is a eliminates an area where social does come ahead. Despite the static, social media does have one significant advantage over email: the ability to go viral. Your posts are not restricted to your one network. How will your marketing be received? Here you type what is email marketing. Click on the first thing. Must be take a time. We shall wait. Email marketing done right. This is a website about email marketing. Here we can log in for free use by putting our email in this box. Powerful feature: minimum effort. Design beautiful campaigns. Early create emails with your drag draw. Do more with animation. Automate repetitive tasks to reach the right persons. Sendinable has the all necessary integration for your success. It tells us about all the possible information about email marketing. Email, SMS, Facebook, chat, CRM, and more, all in the platform to help you grow your business through building stronger customer emails. Connect your favorite apps and web service and do more with your marketing and transactional emails. Did you know 50% of e-commerce revenue comes from email marketing? 50% revenue of e-commerce comes from email marketing. We have built powerful integrations with the biggest e-commerce platforms. Now we see that what is the social media marketing. What is the social media marketing? Enter social media marketing versus UK. Search top answers. Social media marketing UK. Learn more. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service. Although the term e-marketing and digital marketing still although e-commerce marketing and digital marketing still all social media marketing is becoming more popular for both participants. Now click on social media marketing buffers. Loading. What is the social media marketing? Social media marketing is the use of social media platform to connect with your audience, to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. They involve publishing great content on your social media platform, listening to and engaging your followers, analyzing your result, and running social media advertisement. The major social media platforms are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest, YouTube, and Snapchat. There are also a range of social media management tools that help businesses to get the most of the social media platforms. A quick overview of social media marketing. Social media marketing first start with publishing business where sharing their content on social media to generate traffic to their website and hopefully sales. But social media platforms have much benefit than email marketing. Strategy. Before you dive right in and publish something on social media, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The first step is to think about your social media strategy. What are your goals? How can social media help you to achieve your business goals? Some businesses use social media for increasing their brand awareness. Others use it for driving website traffic and social media tools, publishing, analytics, engagement, and start page. Pricing of the social media marketing resources about customers. Here he gives us all the informations about social media marketing. Buffer had more sharing our storages and building our brand on social media so much easier. Now I'll see you that what pricing for social media marketing is necessary. Now we type here. Here we type that difference between social media marketing and email marketing. Enter. Here many of the links open in front of us. Now we click on this link. Loading, it may take a time. Wait. Email marketing versus other digital marketing channels. There are a lot of different kinds of digital marketing channels. A combination of SEO and PPC will help your customer to find you on the search engines. Both are the ways of email marketing and social media marketing is that our clients can see us on the different search engines and our brands, our product which we want to sell, which we want to see in front of our clients. On the other hand, email marketing open the rates usually ranges between 20 and 30%. Additionally, click-through are usually around 3% of email but only 0.5% for Twitter. You can see that email marketing usually click-through around 3%, but on Twitter, which is a type of social media platform, is 0.5%. Most business leads Now that they need to nurture their leads to turn them into customers. The average conversion rate for first time visitor is only around 2%. Email give campaigns a way to connect consistently. Google Ads only get around a 3.17% click-through rate compared to 3.2% for email. Mean that Google Ads have 3.17% click-through rate, but email have 3.2% of click-through rate. 92% of ads placed online don't get any customer. In this graph we can see that email content marketing distribution channel rated by importance. Email has 91%, LinkedIn has 71%, print has 58%, YouTube has 56%, Twitter has 55%, SlideShare 40%, Facebook 38%, Instagram 30%, and Google has 16%. In this graph we can see that email marketing stands on top in selling our brands in front of our clients. Email marketing is much better than the social media marketing. Hope you all friends like this video. Please subscribe our channel and we met in our next video. Goodbye and take care.